Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed about content child decorator that gives us access to a single content that is projected by a single ng content. In this video, we are going to talk about the content children decorator. The content children decorator gives us access to multiple contents that are projected by multiple ng contents. Now inside the child component we will take two more ng contents and we will get rid of the select and we'll copy this. Now inside the parent component we will go here and create two paragraph tag like hash paragraph 1 p1 and another tag p2. Now inside the child.component.ts file we will create the content children decorator. Now inside here we will give the name of the selectors or the name of the template reference variables that we used here inside the parent component. Like here we have the p1 tag or the p1 template reference variable and p2. So now we will use p1 and p2 and we'll say paragraph. Now this is a query list because we have multiple contents or the content that is projected inside our Angular application. Now this will be the type of element reference. We'll say here paragraphs. Now inside the after content in it we will use this dot paragraphs dot for each. We will use a callback function. Here we will say paragraphs are the elements, their index and another array. So we'll console all these things, elements, index, and lastly their array. So now inside the parent component we will say there is the paragraph tag, and now we will go to the browser, we'll comment this ng-ser -o. So the contents are coming from the child components content projection. So now if we see here we have the element and its index is 0, the element is paragraph tag and its content is p1 which is coming from this paragraph element. The second element is the paragraph tag and its content is p2 which is coming from this paragraph tag, and their indices are 0 and 1, and there is another array of the paragraph tags. Like here we have p2 tag and their first child is of type text. So this way we use the content children decorator to get access to multiple contents that were projected by the ng content inside our child component, and the content was projected inside our parent component. In the next video we will learn what is host listener decorator and how it works.